on the road.
Hey, I got it. It works.
All right.
Hi, little GoPro. What's up?
It's tiny.
We're gonna go on a road trip. I don't know what to say.
We're going to head across the entire country and we're going to discover America.
Together
And
for the first time. Okay, these are our bikes. This is our camping stuff. And this is my chair that I'm not allowed to take with me. Today is September 7th. We hit the road in T-minus 14 hours. Okay, bye. Bye, backyard. Thanks for everything. Bye, weird cat thing. Oh, it's backwards. Bye, weird cat thing. Thanks for everything. Bye, toilet. Thanks for everything. Bye, picture of me and my sweet 16. Thanks for everything. How do I stop? Oh, bye, Jenna. Thanks for everything. Bye, Mom. Thanks for everything.
What? Is that the little...
Bye, house. Thanks for everything.
So are you ever planning to come back?
We'll see.
And live life out there on the road.
Bye, Cold Sack High School. Thanks for everything. Okay, what can we listen to in the car? Let's see. We've got the Wailing Jennies, Zakir Hussain, Yo-Yo Ma, Anonymous American Apils, Angels. That doesn't look like a J. Khaki King Dream. Oh. Wait, I dropped it. Khaki King Dreaming of Revenge. And Barbara Lundblad.
Those are sermons.
Ah, sermons from Barbara Lundblad. Let's go! It's our last time getting gas in New Jersey. We'll see how it goes when we have to pump our own gas. How do you feel?
I like pumping my own gas.
You heard it here, folks. Rusty's thing, pumping gas. I'll check back in later. Oh, it didn't change. Oh, still going.
I just learned how to turn on the GoPro. Okay, I'm going to turn it off right now.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
It's raining really badly outside of, it's in Delaware. We're now in the state of Delaware.
We've officially left New Jersey.
But the tunes are good. We're dry
Morale
inside.
is high.
Yeah.
Morale's definitely high.
We got drinks, we got nuts, we got chips. We're good to go.
Go. Hi, GoPro! Dad just kicks me into neutral on the highway. So, Mom, we're safe.
You can take a journey through this country's flesh and blood.
It's definitely go. Welcome to Baltimore!
Thanks for everything, Baltimore. We made it! Hooray! We made it to stop number 1. Bye, Dad. I made it to Brooks.
Virginia.
We're in Virginia.
Yay. Look, cameras.
Look, there's Mom. And there's Brooke.
My dog died.
Oh my God. We're here, and there's a hurricane tomorrow, but so we'll see if we
She's
survive.
gonna-
Whee! Oh wait, I gotta turn it on.